Ski has more on what you can expect for your return for your work week. And Josh, we had heavy lake effect snow over the weekend. Now, what is going to change with the snow that's coming ahead for us?
Yeah, so it's a little confusing, Gary. The stuff that hit Chicago and the Midwest here recently is kind of what's over us now in a much more weakened state. What we're tracking here for tomorrow night into Tuesday, part of the reason we're in weather aware mode, is a newer system that has not impacted the Midwest yet. It's just beginning to form. So let's get over the maps here, tell you about what's going on. First off tonight, if you're scrolling on your phone right now next to you there, and you're watching the news, I do have a brand new weather story that does include zoomed in county by county snow maps for not tonight's snow necessarily, but more so it's really for tomorrow night, Monday night into Tuesday. Every single county in our viewing area will get somewhat the same kind of snow. So this is going to be more of a widespread impact heading into Tuesday here versus the really confined high totals with the lake effect snow event we just completed. Here's a weather aware map tonight. Northern Oneida County, Lewis, Northern Herkimer County in the purple. Winter weather advisories now until 1 o'clock in the morning for some wet, slushy snow and wind still going on there at this time. Now, we also have winter storm watches for Southern Herkimer, Otsego, Shenango, Broome, Tioga counties, which are mostly not in our viewing area, at least for the most part here. We don't have any alerts over us yet, but I would expect there to maybe be an extension of these alerts, maybe across Onondaga County, the Finger Lakes, maybe winter weather advisories perhaps, and then these alerts, these watches down to our south and east could become either winter weather advisories or winter storm warnings. Impacts on travel, the roads, visibility come Tuesday. Temperatures right now, we are all above freezing. Even Saranac Lake is above freezing, so roads are wet, a little slushy, with some graupel, rain, and wet snowflakes flying through. We have a cold front on Triple Doppler, sponsored by Falso Service Experts. A little heavier burst of rain, wet snow now coming through Tully, just west of Kaz, heading towards DeRuyter and further off to the east in Madison County. Futurecast tonight, we have kind of a spray of lake effect snow showers. Nothing really organized, no alerts or warnings because of that. So roads could be a little slick, a little greasy or icy in some spots, but nothing significant or heavy. A lot of Monday is going to be quiet with the sun coming out though. And here we go. Snowfall map number 1 for the rest of tonight. Everybody's seeing a trace to an inch up across the Tug Hill area. A new 1 to 5 inches possible by 7 a.m. Our next newest snow map here. This is 11 p.m. Monday through 11 p.m. Tuesday. So over the course of 24 hours, a general 2 inches for everybody. Some will see 3 or 4. A few will see 5 or 6 inches. That does include the Syracuse area, both downtown and the airport. Notice though, down towards say sections of Cortland County, southern Madison County, Shenango County, and further off the south and east where those winter storm watches are, there could be 6 inches upwards of 10 inches, maybe locally a foot by Monday night through Tuesday night. That whole period. We will update the snow map for you here tomorrow. The next 7 days, we enter the month of December here. It's going to be a cold first week of the new month. Only 29 tomorrow. Snow, slick, and icy roads on Tuesday. There could be impacts to schools and businesses. We'll see. Wednesday looks better. Thursday, another impactful day with lake effect snow in Syracuse. Cold with wind 29. Better Friday and some lighter snow possible towards the weekend. Okay, you can brighten the holiday for a child in need.